Sabe yebenantim na emse yesi ni okomuji ene omi mino ka say obroni bi kan brofo na yesu ye kan yetwi ya na de nyina tumi akonkan na ya bebedu ba bi amanfo enum kube akra ya mawachi short time no friend akra mawachi
yeah
na you say why you work ni na na kube ba ko ye beso
we a second one
o si we a second one na obekwa hin
mefu ya ma
na aja so adwuma de nyina in a nutshell who ni say.
Oh, it's a good initiative. At least exercise. You say you talk no. Watch and able to me. I live a healthy life, which is very good. So this is a very good initiative. Oh yes, I mean healthy living. It's also only do stage be also and your general well-being. It's something you have to be doing continuously every day. Something like this should be done regularly. So never you keep it fit. It's good.
Madam Akwaba, now what is saying? Now who feel
if you cry.
Akra den Kenya wa obadwuma dey bi.
Oh, se me kwapim na me fie kropon ti na me bae.
Kropon so Cyberum apopoti wana.
Aboasa.
Okay. Aboasa wona dwa no wono ana. No page from say.
O frɛ me efu asechia bia kufu.
Okay. Dwuma dey in a nutshell, you can say bonepo 1 minute. Asema na obeka.
Oh, I am very successful. And I think we should keep doing it. Yeah. Into almost 1 month this year and next year say organize bioma omomra. Yeah.
Yeah mami and I because keep doing it because it's on 1 2 3 before anoka. I want to say
Boko nyame adom.
Yeah, Okuma radio Okuma TV so enie yema Akwaba.
Yeah ja.
Yeah. Now dwuma dey won so wo do hu je mu bi hu ne say.
Oh, bibia akoso fine. Bibia akoso boko.
Okay, what kind of boko in which sense?
Say enche bia ye be yo Ojura festival no enti ohin no ne kraping man per se stay fit and healthy so that we can ye be ba be boa ama ye di afache no.
Do we have any? The better was pa.
Mese me da mase.
Kubewura. Ajanet for the first time Kube you dey share fridge mu. Your man ice block papa Kube inside that. Sa Kube agoye just blessing you. Me inside. Ajanet say
Eminadum.
Kube ba ku yan
6 cities.
6 cities. And what to yan?
Mato more than.
Please patronize.
More than 100.
More than 100. Okay. In a nutshell, you want to say?
Very nice. Bibi akosu yi. Okay.